Nutrition is one of the important pillars of naturopathic medicine and its practice. Let us try to understand what is nutrition all about in terms of naturopathic medicine. I would like to share a few points and tips which will help us to improve our health and well-being and also prevent a lot of diseases of modern day lifestyle. The first most important thing I would like to share with you is organic food. Soil health is equally important because the food what we take, the nutrients are derived from the soil with the food is grown. So if the soil health is good without any chemicals, then the nutrients which gets into our system is optimal, and also it doesn't tax our system to eliminate those toxins which come from the soil through the food to us. That's why naturopathic medicine recommends to go with organic food. Second important point is about balanced diet. Balanced, when I mean to say, is a perfect combination and proportion of all the ingredients of food, which includes carbohydrates, proteins, fats, oils, water as well, including trace elements, vitamins, minerals. So when a balanced food of this kind in the right proportion is taken, it is very important and very helpful for our system to maintain a state of homeostasis, thereby keep our system abreast and very strong to face the day-to-day activities of our lives and stresses, and also several infections, especially during this pandemic time. The third important aspect which we need to understand in terms of naturopathic medicine is about wholesome foods. Nature, Mother Nature, has already given all the foods as a platter in terms of all the ingredients which I mentioned in the earlier point, with a proper proportion and combination. Why do we need to refine them? We don't need to refine. Is taste the only factor which we need to look at when food is important or nutrition is important? No, we need to make sure we get a wholesome food. In the sense, refined foods has to be reduced to a large extent as much as possible. In that case, what happens is we are helping the system to get all the nutrients, proper absorption, proper assimilation, so our nourishment is that much better, including the fiber which is there in the wholesome food, including vitamins and trace elements and minerals. Thereby, all the organ systems in our body is functioning optimally and maintaining a homeostatic health, thereby able to manage the day-to-day living much better in terms of energy and also in terms of positiveness, even in the mind aspect as well. Wholesome foods, not just in terms of nutrients, but also in terms of mind, it gives maximum energy to go in the day-to-day aspects of our life. Being positive about whatever happens, and also not just that, looking everything positively. When we look everything positively, our strength and energy levels improve so much. That's why wholesome food is very important. Seasonal foods is the fourth most important aspect in terms of naturopathic medicine and naturopathic nutrition. As I mentioned in the earlier point, Mother Nature provides all the foods in terms of the season as well. And we as a human being is also part and parcel of Mother Nature. Our body also reacts to the weather changes and seasonal changes accordingly. So the foods are also which are given by Mother Nature is equally according to the season which is required for the beings in the nature, including human being. For example, we get oranges usually in winters in India. Why? Because winter is the time where you are more prone to respiratory infections and respiratory upsets or ill health of respiration. So oranges being rich in vitamin C will help us to prevent and protect ourselves from all these respiratory illnesses. Same way, for example, mangoes comes in summers, which are very good to nourish us and balance us so that we maintain our health optimally. At the same time, watermelon, for example, is also important for us, which comes in summers, which gives a lot of water intake, which is the most important thing during summers. So seasonal foods is very important to maintain and follow. The fifth point in naturopathic nutrition is all about fasting. We should not always think about only to eat and what foods and what kind of things are required. We also need the things to give a rest to our physiological system and also the digestive system, which is possible only by fasting. Make sure that fasting, either it is intermittent fasting or long fasting, juice fasting or water fasting or dry fasting, it needs to be taken care that under proper guidance from a naturopathic doctor. When you follow a regimen of fasting regularly, it will help to detox your system, give rest to your physiological digestive system and activate the eliminative system to eliminate all the toxins. When the toxins are gone, automatically your system is much more strong and able to fight the day-to-day aspects of life much more strongly. Recently, about a couple of years, as we all know, a scientist from Japan was awarded Nobel Prize in Medicine for the golden effects, what are the effects of fasting all about for health and well-being. The next one, the sixth point, which is most important for all of us, is moderation. Unless we have moderation in all kinds of food habits, it is not possible to have an optimal health. Whether it is in terms of taste or quantity of food, we should make sure that we don't overeat or don't overeat a particular kind of taste too much. Then what happens is we don't enjoy the other tastes. When the other tastes are not taken care or overeating is there, the stomach or the digestive system cannot digest well and lot of indigestion leads to lot of accumulation of toxins. When there are all the tastes in proper proportion, all the juices are also secreted in the body for optimal digestion. That's why moderation in quantity and taste is very, very important. The last but not the least is we have to eat according to the geographical region where we live. Every geographical region, based on the season and also the weather, they have particular affinity to grow certain vegetables and fruits and several other foods. Same way, our system as well. If it is in a tropical country or temperate countries, whatsoever it is, when we are living in that region, geographical region, automatically our human system is adapted to that geographical region. So the foods which are grown in that geographical region gives us the optimal nutrition. That's why it is very important that we make sure that we have those foods which are grown in the surroundings of our living geography. For example, in India, South Indian staple food is rice because that is grown abundantly and the season is very good, or the geographical composition, the climate is very good to grow rice. And we are also accustomed to the climatic conditions in the South India. So rice becomes a very staple food and very good for our system to maintain our health and homeostasis. This way, almost all the regions of the world, based on their climatic conditions, we need to have those foods. When we follow these 7 important aspects of our naturopathic nutrition, we automatically maintain a very good state of health and well-being to fight all the infections, to improve our immunity, and also to prevent a lot of degenerative conditions these days which we are finding in the old age. Thank you.